Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Teacher's Mail. So this morning we are going to prepare chiffon cake. We have here the ingredients in front of us. It's already measured. In order for us to prepare it right away, and it will be easy for us. Before we start the preparation, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe by pressing the bell button below for more videos on baking. Please finish the video till the end so you will learn something. The first thing that we are going to do is to beat first the egg whites until it is stiff. Be careful that the egg whites will not be overbeat, or else the mixture will become flat. So this is the 4 pieces egg whites and 1 teaspoon lemon extract. So I use the 1 teaspoon lemon extract in place of the cream of tartar because I do not have it. Lemon extract is very nutritious. That is good for baking. The next thing that we should do is to switch on the KitchenAid and set the speed. The speed is very important in mixing the egg white. Let's add now the 1 teaspoon lemon extract. The lemon extract stabilizes the foam and it gives nutrients to the baked product. After adding the 1 teaspoon lemon extract, we are going to add the refined sugar, or the 1/2 cup table sugar. See, it's very easy to bake. And I really enjoy baking at home because of this KitchenAid that helps me a lot. See, all you have to do is to switch it on, put the ingredients, and wait until it is done. Now, let us check whether the sugar is already dissolved. You see that the egg whites here is already very stiff. It doesn't flow anymore. By testing the sugar, whether it is already dissolved, what we're going to do is to touch a little, to get a little mixture, and rub it with our finger. Okay, see? It's very stiff. Okay? The sugar already dissolved, so it's enough. So we have to set this aside, and then we will prepare the flour mixture or the butter mixture. Butter, B-A-T-T-E-R, that means it's the mixture of flour or the dry ingredients and liquid ingredients that can be poured steadily. Steadily, okay? Kailangan gamitin natin lahat na ingredients. Huwag natin sayangin ang mga ingredients dahil ang mahal nito. Especially ngayong pandemic, mahirap ang pera hanapin. So let's set this aside. Then let's prepare the flour and the liquid ingredients. 1.5 cup cake flour. What you have to do is to put all the ingredients here. We'll make a well or a hole at the center, and then we are going to put all the rest of the ingredients here. This is the 1/4 cup sugar, then the baking powder, the vanilla powder, and the iodized salt or the table salt. Mix it well. Make a hole at the center, like this one. Okay. And then put all the liquid ingredients here. Sariling sikap ito, mga kababayan. Wala akong cameraman. Nag-iisa lang ako sa kitchen. Mabuti sana kung face-to-face pa tayo ngayon at maraming mga students na can help us in the or assist us in the preparation. Another part ng KitchenAid na gagamitin natin sa pagbibit ng flour and liquid ingredients. Dahan-dahan lang po ang pagbibit natin dahil pag ipinulblas natin, tayo ay maliligo ng flour. It's now beating. Let us see to it that the dry and liquid ingredients are mixed thoroughly. When the mixture is already smooth, that's the time for us to cut and fold into the foam or egg white mixture. We're done mixing. Napakadali lang yung paggawa ng chiffon cake. We need to scrape everything from the batter. You see, it's smooth and it's flowing steadily. This is what we call the batter. Let us cut and fold the batter into the foam. See to it that it is mixed thoroughly so that it will have a good quality chiffon. Let's cut and fold the batter into the foam. By cutting and folding, we incorporate the air that will help the rising of the chiffon cake. Remember, cutting and folding is different from stirring. In my previous video, I made the sponge cake. I only used the egg whites. I did not use the egg yolk and I did not put the baking powder in it. When the egg whites is beaten correctly, it will help in the rising of the product, and so you don't need the baking powder anymore. However, in the chiffon cake, we really need to put the baking powder because the mixture is heavier than the sponge cake. We will use the bigger rubber scraper for us to scrape everything from the mixing bowl. I am doing this demonstration for the benefits of my viewers and for those who do not have the idea on how to bake cake, and also for my students who are in their respective home. Please follow my channel for you to learn more about cooking or baking. We are cutting and folding the mixture. We are not stirring the mixture, but we are cutting and folding to incorporate more air. Be sure that the egg whites and the batter is mixed thoroughly before you pour it in the cake pan. The chiffon cake is usually used by bakers in decorating cakes like birthday cake, wedding cake. They decorate it to make it more attractive for children during birthday parties. See, we are done. Let's pour the mixture into the prepared cake pan. There are many shapes of cake pan that you can buy from the store. I choose tube pan in baking cakes like chiffon cake and sponge cake, but you can choose your own baking pan if you wish to. I will be posting the whole recipe of the chiffon cake later, so please follow me every now and then so that you will be able to learn more on baking. So let's bake it for 1 hour. So bake it 125 degrees Fahrenheit for 1. I have preheated the oven before we start because it is really a requirement in baking to preheat the oven from room temperature to the baking temperature so that you will get a good result. We will wait for an hour for the cake to be cooked. Let's check the doneness of the cake by inserting the toothpick at the middle. So when the toothpick comes out clean, that means the cake is already cooked. Be careful not to touch the pan because it is very hot. Now you can see the toothpick is clean, so that means the cake is already cooked. Here we have now our chiffon cake. Look, look, look. It's nicely baked.